okay? This is how we wire up these BAS system. It's the building automation starter. They're both tied together in this box, not touching each other. And they're three-phase: black, red, blue. And that's the panel we just installed. And we have two more to put right here, the bigger kind. All right, this is how we do it. Me and my A-class apprentice. I wouldn't call him a helper, he's an apprentice. He's learning this stuff and he's learning it right. So over here, we got our panel with two double breakers inside of them. This is a three-phase system. And over here, we got the BAS automatic transform turn on, something like that. And then here's the new ones. We're about to do the install. When I'm finished, I'll show you the finished product. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have a lot more to come.